All right, what's going on YouTube? Thanks for tuning back in. And today's video is not the typical video that I will post. I'm gonna call this the continuation of the Vantrue Dashcam. The reason I'm saying this is once I uploaded the how to install a Vantrue Dashcam in the 2018 Volkswagen Atlas, I got some comments saying, hey, can you put a short video clip together to show us what the camera is really about? So here in a little bit, I'm gonna show you some still images, some video footage of daytime, nighttime, and then also what the sound quality is on this camera. Last thing that I will throw out there though before I show you this, keep in mind that my 2018 Volkswagen Atlas has limo tint in the back. So when you're actually viewing everything inside the cab, it is going to be a lot darker. So don't think it's the camera. It is just mainly because I have that tint or that darker tint on my vehicle. So with that being said, yeah, let me show you what I got and then go from there.
Can we just
All right, so there you go. Just showed you those still images, showed you that video footage of daytime, nighttime, and then also the sound quality. So I hope this helped you out. If you need anything else in regards to this camera, just let me know. I'll try to get it posted up as soon as possible. But other than that, that's it, YouTube. Until next time, thanks for tuning in. Take it easy.